Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about last time Christmas preparation because this is the last time, seriously guys, because we're almost reached to the second week of November, about to reach soon, and there would be the Thanksgiving, the Black Friday, the Cyber Monday. The sales are always already happening, so it's the last time. So I'm going to be talking about some tips that you could do in the last time to get the more sales if possible. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you do so, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, there are a bunch of free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can click on the link and you can download it. Soon we are going to start an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can subscribe to it. It's 100% free. And let's talk about last time Christmas preparation, because guys, if you go on the Zazzle, there is already written on the very first home page itself that that's the Black Friday is coming. So on the Zazzle, the royalty of the products, I think, have already been logged. Like, you can change it, you can increase it, you can decrease it. So it's been already logged. They are like highly packed with the holidays because it's about to reach soon. And if you're still looking out to uploading the products, and if you're still looking out for preparing for holidays, that it is late, but still you could do something now that could get you the sales. So I'm going to be sharing some of the tips with you guys because I know that's still late, but of course you can do now as well. You won't be getting that many sales because you are already late. The royalties on these Zazzle have already been locked. I don't know about the Redbubble and Teepublic. Teepublic, the royalties are fixed, and Redbubble, I don't know if it is logged or not, but Zazzle, I do know about it. First tip I have for you guys: go back to your designs that you have already uploaded because they are already being found in the search engine of that particular print on demand platform. Introduce the keywords and tags and update it according to it. If you don't want to upload the new products or new designs, then go back to the previous one that you have already uploaded and optimize the title, tag, description, incorporated the word, the Christmas, the holiday, or the gifts, or the Thanksgiving, kind of like these words into your tags of the design so that it can be searchable for that particular keyword, because people are looking for gifts right now. I think that many people have started purchasing, and some would be purchasing on the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday. So go back and do that thing for your designs that you've already uploaded, because right now the designs you are uploading may take months to get searchable on that particular search engine. Of course, they can be found before that as well, but we take an average that it takes almost 2 to 3 months for a design to be searchable on any print on demand website, because there are already millions of designs present on those print on demand websites. So it takes the time. So what you could do, go back to your previous designs and update the title, tag, and description so that people came to know that it's related to the Christmas, Thanksgiving, and they can very well go and actually purchase that particular product. Another tip I have for you guys: go out and share it onto the Pinterest, because people are looking on a Pinterest for the ideas, for the Christmas ideas, for the Thanksgiving ideas, and they're gonna see a bunch of the ideas on the Pinterest. So if you are sharing your product onto the Pinterest as a Pinterest page, or maybe an idea page, or maybe a video page, whatever it is, they're gonna come across your pin because it's related to the Christmas, because I've already talked about you have updated your title and tag description according to the Christmas and Thanksgiving, according to the holidays. That's the first step. So if you have done so, now you move on to the second tip, and now you can share those designs in which you have updated the title, tag, and description according to the Christmas, holidays, and events, and onto the Pinterest. So people, when they are looking for Christmas designs or Christmas ideas, or come across your designs, it will going to increase the chances they're gonna see it. If they like it, they're gonna click on it, and more likely to increase your sales and also the engagement and the more views on your shop. So you could do this thing right now. Promotion and marketing will going to help you a lot. If you don't have any social media following, don't think about too much. Just start with the Pinterest, because on the Pinterest you don't need to have so many followers. In fact, you don't need even a single follower to promote your Pinterest page. You can just get started with the day one itself and start promoting it. So do it right. The tip I have for you guys: start putting your designs into the collections into your shop. If you have a Christmas collection, Thanksgiving collection, New Year collection, or any collection related to any niche category, topic, or theme, make a collection and start putting all your designs into that particular collection, because if someone come across one of your design, they're gonna land on your shop and they're gonna see whether you have similar kind of designs related to that particular designs or not. So if you have incorporated all your designs into a collection, it will likely going to increase your chances that they're gonna convert multiple different types from your shop. That's what we want. We just don't want our customer to convert a single time. We want them to convert multiple times, so that one customer is purchasing multiple different products from your shop. That's only possible when you're creating a collection, because if you're having thousands of designs on your shop and they're just placed like that only, it would be very, very difficult for a customer to actually swipe up across all the designs and to see the product which they are looking for. So do this homework, make a collections, make a categories and update it according to it. And if possible, you can create a featured collection that go forward and feature your best collection or feature the holiday collection in that particular category. So people can see, okay, this is a featured collection on your shop. They're more likely to. You could do over here is your shop banner. Of course, the shop logo will going to remain the same. The shop icon will remain to going the same, but you can update your shop banner. If someone is coming on your shop banner, you could write something like Christmas or holiday gift ideas. You could place the pictures of your best-selling products, your featured products, or that shop banner, and write the different kinds of Thanksgiving or Christmas or holiday kind of gift products that you have in your shop, and you can feature them on your shop banner. So when they are landing on your shop, they're going to see your shop banner and will more likely to convert and increase your sales. So do that homework, guys, right now. Of course, you can do what right now is to actually make your shop a more polished, a more professional, that's ready to set it for the sales. Because if you're uploading the product right now, it will going to take some time to be searchable in the search engine of that particular print on demand. So what we can do right now is to actually update and polish the things that we already have in our shop to make it more professional and get ready for the holidays. If you haven't done it so far, go and do it right now, guys, because we are looking for sales for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, for the Christmas, because it's already there. We don't want to miss this particular event. We don't want to miss this particular holiday. So update your shop banner, have a featured collection in which you are having your best-selling products or the products that you want to feature them in your collection. Maybe they are related to the holidays, the Christmas, so people can convert it. Update your shop banner, feature your products on your shop banner, and so that it will going to entice the customer to see that, oh, you have a Christmas and holiday related product as well. They are more likely to purchase from your shop. So the tip I have for you, if you're selling on the Etsy as a print on demand, then you could also have a coupon codes when someone is placing your designs in the cart or maybe favoriting your products. You can give that particular customer or people kind of like a coupon code, 10% off, 20% off, give it them an incentive so that they are more likely to convert. This is specifically for the Etsy print on demand. Or even if you are having your own website where you're selling your own print on demand products, you could do this right now. You can't do that particular thing on the Zazzle or Redbubble or Teepublic. You could do on the Etsy, you could do on your own website or Shopify. If you're selling on those particular platforms, you could very well go and give the people coupon codes, some percentage off, or maybe get them an offer like buy two, get one product free or something like that. Give them the incentive so they are more likely to purchase more products from your shop, and that will going to increase your sales. Because it's not always about uploading the products. You also need to optimize your shop, your listing, your product banner, your collections, your coupon codes, and whatever it is you could. Another tip I have for you guys, go for the Facebook groups. You can join the different kinds of Facebook group related to your niche and topic and interest, and you can start sharing your product. Take one thing in mind, read their Facebook group rules and regulations. Are they allowing you to share your products or your designs or not? If they allow it, then only go for it. If they don't allow it, then don't do it, because you might get out of that Facebook group and it would be costing you in the long run. So read the terms and conditions of whatever Facebook group you're joining. Read their whatever you call rules, rights, whatever it is. Read that and follow that. And if possible, start sharing your designs or products in the Facebook groups related to any topic and niche industry, because people go to the Facebook group, they check the Facebook group, and if they see something is relevant to them, they might click on that particular thing and they might go to that shop and purchase something from it. Now, if they don't allow you to share your particular product or design on your in their Facebook group, then what you could do, you could actually provide value to the people. You could maybe answer their questions, maybe talk about something related to your topic and niche and interest, maybe have a poll, maybe asking some questions, maybe giving them some providing value. In exchange of that, you could talk to the people in the comment section below of that Facebook group of that particular post. And when people are interacting with you, you can either send them a message on the messenger and talk to them, and when they are ready to it, you can promote and share your product. You need to be really professional in this particular thing. You don't need to be a spammy, because if you are turning into spammy, then people may not buy from you. They may either block you or terminate you from their Facebook group. So be very professional and specific that, and be very clever with that particular promotion and marketing of your products in the Facebook group, but this could be a great thing you could do right now if you have joined amazing Facebook groups related to your topic and niche, and you're talking to the people in the group that this is the best time to share your products, because there are already sales are happening. There is already sales and Black Friday sales as everybody is there. If people are interested in that, they might likely report to. Another tip I have for you guys: share your products, share your shop among your friends, family members and colleagues. Do that, guys, because people are looking for buying the products. They are looking for buying the gifts, the Christmas gifts, the Thanksgiving gifts. They are looking already for that. So share your products. Tell them that you are a designer, you are an artist, you are a print-on-demand seller, whatever it is. Tell them that you are a creative person and you have your shop, you have your own business. Of course, it's a business, it's not a hobby. I have already told you in many of my videos that you need to take your shop as a business, not as a hobby, because if you're taking it as a hobby, you're doing a big mistake and that's not serving you well. So take it as a business and tell them that you are doing a business. You have a shop on Zazzle or Redbubble, Teepublic, whatever it is, and you have these beautiful products. And if they want to purchase something for their loves, for the kids as a loved one, you are ready to share your shop link to them and they are more likely to convert. And if possible, you could also wear your own t-shirts. You could also have your own mugs, or maybe different kinds of products you could buy from your own shop and you could promote it to your friends and family members. Tell them, hey, I have designed this particular product, look at this, it's so beautiful, the product quality is good, the design quality is good, and all those kind of stuff, and increase your chances to promotion and marketing as much as you can. Don't turn out to be too spammy. Be friendly and be open to ask a question, reply to them, help them, and then in exchange of that, if possible, you can promote your product as well. These are my some last tips for you to help you make more money in these upcoming holidays that you could do differently. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you prepared for your holidays or not, or are you still preparing on that? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.